Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances and suffocated by cluttered accounts and complicated budgets? What if I told you there's a way to achieve financial freedom by simplifying your approach to money? Get ready to embrace the power of financial minimalism, a transformative mindset that will declutter your finances and unlock a life of freedom and abundance. Join me as we explore the art of financial minimalism and discover how it can revolutionize your relationship with money. Hey there, fellow seekers of financial freedom. Are you ready to break free from the chains of financial clutter and complexity? And today, we're diving into the world of financial minimalism. Financial minimalism isn't just about decluttering your physical space. It's about simplifying your finances to create more freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. In this video, we'll explore the principles of financial minimalism and learn how to apply them to our own lives for lasting transformation. So what exactly is financial minimalism, and why is it so powerful? At its core, financial minimalism is about prioritizing what truly matters in your financial life and eliminating everything else. It's about simplifying your accounts, expenses, and investments to create a clear path to your financial goals. Now that we understand the principles of financial minimalism, let's talk about how to declutter our finances. Start by simplifying your accounts. Consolidate bank accounts, retirement accounts, and investment accounts to streamline your financial management. Then, automate your payments and savings to eliminate manual tasks and reduce decision fatigue. Finally, identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses that don't align with your values or goals. With your finances decluttered, it's time to focus on what truly matters. Your financial goals. Take the time to define your financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for retirement, and prioritize your spending and saving accordingly. By aligning your financial decisions with your goals, you'll stay motivated and focused on achieving them. Another key aspect of financial minimalism is mindful spending, being intentional and conscious about how you use your money. Track your expenses to identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back. Set spending limits for discretionary categories like dining out and entertainment to avoid overspending. And practice gratitude for what you have, focusing on experiences and relationships rather than material possessions. In conclusion, financial minimalism offers a powerful antidote to the chaos and clutter of modern finances. So, are you ready to simplify your finances and create more freedom in your life? Start today by applying the principles of financial minimalism to your own financial journey. Your future self will thank you.